people. I'm sorry, I got distracted by the music. Okay. You're looking at St. Joseph's Cathedral. Unlike the guy in the Walmart parking lot, he is actually playing that saxophone. Now I do want you guys to look around this part of the river. This is Restaurant Row. Most of the restaurants on the riverwalk are located right here. Now, if you're hungry, you're probably going to come down here after the boat ride is over, but I want to save you guys some time. I'm sure you've noticed walking the Riverwalk reminds you of your high school hallways. People walk really slow, or they just stop walking right in front of you. So, I'm going to save you guys some time. I'm going to tell you what your options to eat are right now, starting with the ones on the right side of the boat first. Now, the first restaurant on the right side is where the mariachis are playing, and they serve Mexican food. The orange restaurant next door, Mexican food. The restaurant next to them, Mexican food. The one upstairs, Mexican food. But we still have the left side. Now, on the left side of the boat, the first restaurant is Mexican food. Okay, the second one, Mexican food. The last one on the left, Mexican food. And, believe it or not, the very last restaurant on the right side of our boat, they serve barbecue. Barbecue, that way you have options. But there is one restaurant I haven't shown you yet, and it was actually the first one ever on this river. They're on the boat's right side. They opened in 1946, and their name is Understandably, because their name is Casa Romeo, you are probably assuming that they serve Mexican food.
No.
They absolutely do. Which means if you're planning on eating on the river, your choices to eat are extremely simple. And because I've already told you, I just saved you 10 minutes worth of walking up the river. So, but I want to save something else of yours now. Your ears. We're going to turn left and enter that tunnel. Tunnel Echo. So, I'm not going to talk.
But it's a nice little
While I'm not talking on the tunnel,
I like it.
They
really whole song, you know?
find out what you're going to eat as soon as your boat ride is over. Good luck. That is 26 stories high. On the boat's left, the Mixed Hospital. Or at least it used to be. The Mixed Hospital served San Antonio for exactly 90 years. But the hospital found out about the pandemic. And right before lockdown, the hospital packed up and they left. The building has sat there empty for 3 years. Until now, the old Mixed Hospital is reopening as a hotel. And if you think turning an old hospital into a hotel is gross, but remember that the people sitting around you paid money to listen to me talk for 30 minutes, not to listen to you talk for 30 minutes. Now guys, those are all of the rules of this boat, and as long as you can follow them, we're going to have a really nice 30-minute long boat tour. Now before we start the tour, my name is Autumn or Otoño, and again, perdóname, mi español es no bueno. The tour is in English. Now before we start this tour, there is a concert going on right here in front of our boat. So you guys get to watch that first before we start the tour. Siéntate, por favor, señor. you just witnessed, this concert is just around the corner from where I picked you up from, and it is free. On the boat's right-hand side. It's a statue of a cowboy rounding up some longhorn cattle. That statue belongs to the Bristol Western Art Museum. This museum, to be correct, are German immigrants. Now, to commemorate those German immigrants, every first Monday of the month, they still hold Mass and a choir completely in German. But my boat is still going slow for a reason. Guys, look right back here where my finger is pointing to see the tallest building in San Antonio, the Tower of America. It's the tallest at 750 feet tall. That entire upstairs section spins. It does one rotation every single hour. But it's not just an observation of history on this entire tour. Now, I'm going to slow my boat down here on purpose. Guys, take out your cameras and point them all the way up, straight ahead. Now, you can get this beautiful photo of that tower that can only be taken while you're on a boat in the middle of the river. I'm going to keep us slow and steady, that way you can hit it. Just be really, really careful. Its nickname is Don't Touch It. No Becca. But you are more than welcome to lean your head out of the boat for a free haircut. Not him, so he's good. Or you could leave the boat with one less child you came on board with. Now, since everyone is still on board, Marriage Island is in the shape of a heart, naturally, out of this cypress tree's roots. We have over 400 weddings a year on this tiny little island, and well over 2,000 proposals as well. Right here is Selena's Bridge. I slowed us down. That way you can take out your cameras, point your cameras towards the back end of the boat and you can get a beautiful photo of me. Thank you. And then you can get Selena's bridge if you want. Now, the Tejano music star, Selena Quintanilla Perez, she got secretly engaged to be married on that bridge back in 1992. Meanwhile, Jennifer Lopez, who portrayed Selena in the 97 movie, she got engaged everywhere else. She did. But while she was in San Antonio, Jennifer Lopez stayed in this hotel on the boat's left for 3 weeks. The La Mansión. It's a Mexican-style mansion hotel. And believe it or not, the La Mansión is one of only 4 hotels on the entire river with balconies.